sa Western Country. Sa kakatuwa ka nila. They inhabit the wilderness forest along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They can eat of seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, and they also have more. Now guys, do you think that's the last ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Lazo! Go, Lazo! And she found it! A Rambunctious Dazzle with Trader Sean. Now, for next featured birds are just like any merry couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for lifetime. Peter Martin, but as any couple will say, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meaning Rico and Rita are beautiful pair of blue and golden dog, and today, they will battle out who's the best in masculinity. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All of us will cheer for Rita. All of us will say, Rita, Rita. And all of us will cheer for Rita. All of us will say, Rita, Rita. Ready, set, go! Rika on his first ball. Oh, couple to Rika. Another one for Rika. And for the last ball. What will happen? And Rika wins! What do you say about the Rika run? You guys just stand. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race, Trainer Jimmy.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Rika to race again?
I guarantee you the Rika will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. So what is a ring race? The first one will be the ring into the ball, the fastest is the winner, and that's the ring race. So, our ring race day shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Rika to lead this time. We'll be doing this again. These are our ring race. Ready, set, go! Come Rika! Here's Rika on his first ring. Follow on Olivia. What's happening? What are we doing, Rika? Rika! We got the clearance to sing that. How about that? And there is Rika!
Galing.
What do you say about the clear Genie? Clearance at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated.
Oh, did he cheat? Rika is her brain? Oh, so it's true. That girl's are more talented than the boys? I'm not also Rika and Rika with Trader Jimmy and Trader Mikey.
Kasi over daw. Big bird.
Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not their lore. Here's Sassy, our great Mickey Ball. She's going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, great Mickey Balls are from South America. They are known to be the giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws.
Basti,
They
basti.
can grow up to and use the
Madulas, madulas, madulas.
8 years old. Scientifically, is Arabia. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. And for the shape, go Sassy. And there you go, we have them right. Arabia for Sassy with Trader Shell.
Hindi, pahan.